7 Tips on how to increase traffic with email marketing. The most inexpensive, and yet the most efficient way to reach out to customers or an audience is email marketing. Many marketers throughout the world use this technique of email marketing to send and brief people about their products and their specifications to convert them into their regular and loyal customers. If done properly, it can be beneficial for your business and website, and it helps generate ROI and can get you a good number of customers for your business. Many email marketers say that the main objective for them is to attract an audience to their website. The main objective of email marketing campaigns is to create quality and engaging content that attracts people to their websites. This gives them a really good experience and makes them become a regular customer for the company. Email marketing can be a cause of generating an audience and increasing the number of customers that your brand needs. Nowadays, every other individual has his/her blog. But the main difference is the quality and number of audience of that blog. There are many ways to increase traffic by email marketing. In this article, I will be telling you about 7 tips on how to increase traffic with email marketing. Below are some of the tips that you should use to generate traffic using email marketing. 1. Healthy subscriber list. The most important thing for an email marketing strategy is a healthy list of subscribers, and if you don't have many subscribers, your strategies can be of no use. For this purpose, check for effective ways that can help you in growing your list of subscribers. By doing so, you can get a huge number of subscribers that are interested in your business. This will help you get your desired web traffic and repeated visits as well. 2. Landing page. One of the most important features to consider when using email marketing strategies is the landing page of your website. If the landing page of your website is not in sync with the email, you will not get any traffic for your website. To attract the audience and keep them engaged in your business, you should consider your landing page full of information about your business highlighted in the emails you send. By doing so, you can get the audience and repeated visits by them for sure. 3. Subscribers' interest. Keeping a check and balance of subscribers' interest is one of the most important parts of email marketing. It would be best to make sure that your subscribers receive emails of their interest, otherwise, it will not help you get any traffic. To make sure your subscribers get only emails of their interest, you can make a preference box for the subscribers they need to fill when signing up for your website, so that they only receive emails about the selected preferences. People get bored with emails that are none of their concern and send emails to their spam or unsubscribe the irrelevant emails. To make sure the email marketing campaign gets the success it deserves, the main objective set for the marketing team is to come up with quality and engaging content that attracts traffic towards their website. 4. Monitoring emails. 7 tips on how to increase traffic with 1. Keep a check on your emails. Make sure that the click rate per email is increasing day by day. If not, you need to create a new and improved email that you can use for your email marketing because the previous one is not appealing to the subscribers. You can make your emails better by changing the design, copy, action buttons, or links. Also read, Arbor Review, comprehensive guide features, pricing, pros and cons. In addition, make sure to check the people spend on your website when they visit it. If they are not standing for long, you need to change your landing page and create a new one that appeals to the audience. To keep a check and balance of your emails, you can check the bounce rate. The bounce rate shows how many people like your emails. 5. Social media linkage. Most people like emails linked with social media handles, as people get attracted more towards social media handles than just websites. So, make sure to link your social media handles with the email campaign that you are utilizing. To make your social media accounts prominent, you can highlight or enlarge the icons with the redirection link of your social media account. 6. Mobile reader experience. Most of the users use their mobiles rather than using Macs or desktops. The main problem with email marketers is that their emails consist of designs and letters specially made for desktop or Mac users. When people open desktop-oriented emails on their phones, it gives a really bad impression about the email. To attract the mobile reader audience, you need to create email campaigns designed especially for mobile users, as it will make them visit your website due to a good email that attracts them. To make it easy for your marketers to make an email that can be viewed on any screen, they should use responsive email templates. Responsive email templates are useful because they adapt to the design and size of the screen. For responsive email templates to be successful, you need to have a well-designed website for mobiles. Well-designed mobile websites can help you attract much traffic because when they click on the email links, they will be redirected to a beautifully managed website appealing to them. This makes people visit websites, often making your website get much traffic. 7. Content should be concise. Recently conducted research found that the emails with approximately 20 lines accompanied by 3 high-resolution images got the most attention and engagement. Email marketers should refrain from including too much information in their emails. Rather, they should keep it small and simple because it helps the reader get a good and clear picture of your website. Many people don't read emails that have excessive text or have many pictures in them. The content should be concise and clear. This makes the audience attracted to your website, making your website get increased traffic. Do you like our content and would love to hear more from us? Kindly subscribe to our channel, like and share with your friends, family. Stay tuned for more.